Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Linkvertise, making you wait an hour. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for Linkvertise. So usually it's going to make us wait for an hour due to numerous reasons, due to cookies, due to its advertisements. So for this reason, we're going to have to connect to our VPN or clear any cookies we have. So let's just try the VPN method. So once we connect, we're going to reload it again. So this time around, it's going to open smoothly. Then we're going to write in the links. Let's take this for an example. We're going to click on confirm. Then as you can see, it's going to load for us quickly. I hope this video was a help for you guys. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye again.